Sakana Bhavatu, Sakana Punaktu, Sakabhijam Karavavahe, Tejasvinavadhitamastu ma vidvishavahe. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Om Yachandasam Vrishabho Vishwarupaham Chandobhyodhyamrtaah Sambhabhuvam Samendro Medhaya Aspranotu Amrutasya Devadharano Bhuyasam Shariram Me Vicharshanam Jikva Me Madhumattamam Karnabhyam Bhuri Vishruvam Brahmanah Koshosi Medhaya Pihitaham Sutam Me Gopayam. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Om Bhadram Karnebhih Shrunuyama Devaah Bhadram Pashyemakshabhir Yajatraah Sthirairangaih Stuštuvagum Sastanubhih Vyashema Devahitam Yadayuh Swasti na Indro Vrthashavaah Swasti na Pusha Vishwavedaah Swasti nastarkshu Arishtanemihi Swasti no Brihaspatir Dadhatu. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Om Apyayantu Mamangani Va Prana Chakshusrotramadho Balamindriyani Cha Sarvani Sarvam Brahma Upanishadam Maham Brahma Nirakuryam Mama Brahma Nirakarot Anirakaranamastu Nirakaranam Me Astu Tadatmini Niradeya Upanishassu Dharmaha Te Maya Santu Te Maya Santu. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Om Aham Vrakshasya Reriva Kirtif Prishtham Gireriva Urdhapavitro Vajiniva Sumrtamasmi Dravinagum Savarchasam Sumedha Amrutokshidaha Iditrishangur Vedanuvachanam. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Tacchayora Vranimahe Gatum Yajnaya Gatum Yajnapadaye Devi Swastirastunaha Swastirmanushebhyaha Urdham Jigadu Bheshajam Shanno Astidvipade Shanchadushpade. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Om Sadashiva Samarambham Shankaracharya Madhyamam Asmatacharya Paryandam Vande Guru Parambaram Shankaram Shankaracharyam Keshavam Badarayanam Sutra Bhashya Kritau Vande Bhagavantau Punah Punaha Ishvaro Gururatneti Murti Bheda Vibhagine Vyoma Vadvyapta Dehaya Dakshina Murtaye Namaha. Gugarasthvandakaro Vai Yugarastan Nivartakaha Andhakara Nirodhitvat Gururitya Vidhiyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Matra Sparshastu Kaunteya Shiroshna Sukha Dukkadaha Agama Painaha Tantikshasva Bharata. This empirical order of reality in which we conduct our life, how one is going to handle one's emotions. So this body and the world both have the same order of reality. Therefore, this facility which is given, the sense organs, the world we perceive through these five sense organs in five different ways, in the form of sight, sound, smell, taste and touch. Each sense organ has its own zone of perception. Therefore, the experience of the world is something which is sakajam. Sakajam means natural. If you are awake, being a conscious person, then definitely you are going to receive the world. You are going to have stimulus. You are going to perceive the world. So based upon each perception, that perception is altogether a sensory perception. In the sense that you cannot experience the world without sound, without the sense of sound, without the sense of sight, without the sense of touch, without the sense of smell, and without the sense of taste. There is no sixth way you can experience it. So this is sensory world. Our experience of the empirical world is sensory all the way. Therefore, Bhagavan is saying, at the level of the physical body, you cannot but experience the sensation of heat and cold at the level of the physical body. Since this body is something which can survive only within certain conditions, it cannot take too much cold, nor can it take too much heat. So under certain conditions, we have to keep the body within certain parameters. So if there is a sensation of heat and cold at the physical level, definitely there is going to be a response towards this sensation of heat and cold at the physical level. A desirable response or an undesirable response. Two ways I respond to these sensations. This heat and cold is Upanakshana. By this Upanakshana, all other sensations are accounted. So the desirable response on my part and the undesirable response on my part is very natural. I cannot but respond to these physical sensations. It's also something which is choiceless. Therefore, if the desirable response in the form of sukha, comfort, and undesirable response in the form of discomfort, then Bhagavan is saying these responses in the form of sukha and dukkha is something which comes and goes.